My name is Jasmine.
I'm Jala.
We'd like to welcome you back to our weekly Facebook Live. So we go live every Friday at 3 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time.
Well, we hope you guys enjoyed your week so far.
Yes, and last week we announced that we have new carrier oils and new essential oil blends, and the response has been so great. We are so happy that you guys are enjoying the new products. And as a special treat, we will be doing a giveaway of our Citrus Burst essential oil at the end of this Facebook Live, so make sure you stay tuned for that.
That's right. And we have our new carrier oils that come in 2 ounce and 10 millimeters. These are perfect for DIYs, of course. And the 2 ounce comes with a dropper now.
Yes, and I'm so excited about having droppers now. That's so exciting.
Droppers are the best.
Yes. So this week we are going to be showing you how to make a DIY citrus lip scrub using our 2 ounce macadamia nut oil and our Citrus Burst essential oil blend.
Yes, and lip scrubs are taking the internet by storm. They're such a great way to exfoliate your lips and remove dead skin.
Yes, and it's great, especially if you are a lover of makeup and you like to wear matte lipsticks. So it'll help keep your lips nice and smooth. And macadamia nut oil is rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, which helps moisturize your skin and make your lips nice and soft.
And those fatty acids contain anti-inflammatory properties, which is very helpful for sores and wounds.
Yeah, and macadamia nut oil is rich in an antioxidant called squalene, which protects the skin of free radical damage, and it helps protect your skin's collagen and restore the youthfulness.
So, of course, we mentioned that we have our Citrus Burst Essential Oil Blend, but we did come out with a total of 5 new essential oil blends that you should check out on our website. One of being, yes, again, a Citrus Burst Essential Oil, and this one has a very fruity aroma with a hint of lemon and lime, and it's definitely going to help you uplift your mood.
Yes, and what's not to love about a mood-boosting lip scrub?
So, our lip scrub, we're going to start with the things that we need. So you're going to need a bowl and then something to stir with. You're going to need a half a cup of cane sugar and a jar to store it in. And then, of course, we're going to be using our macadamia nut oil and our Citrus Burst essential oil blend.
Yes, and happy Friday, Donna. All right, so the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to pour your sugar into your bowl.
Okay, I'll pour it for you, Jasmine.
Thank you. And then you're going to take 12.5 droppers full of your macadamia nut oil. So I already have it pre-poured, but what you would do is you just pump it like about 3 times, and then it'll get nice and full like so. And then you just drop it all throughout here. So I'll just go ahead and pour it in. And then you're just going to mix it until the sugar is evenly coated.
So while she's stirring that, next thing you do is you take our Citrus Burst Essential Oil Blend, and you're going to put 6 drops in here. So it smells really good.
So good.
Very good.
So I'm just going to keep on mixing this up till it's nice and coated. Let me scoot up. So then what you're going to want to do next is go ahead and just put it into a container. So you're going to want to put it into a container that can be sealed so that your lip scrub doesn't dry out or anything or spill all over the place in case you knock it over. So go ahead and just fill up your container like that.
And this would make a great gift for a friend, especially a friend, a makeup lover, and they're definitely going to appreciate it.
Oh yes, they'll definitely love to do this sugar scrub because their lips are going to be nice and soft at the end.
Totally.
I still, of course I did. Okay, so next what you're going to want to do, I'll set this to the side. So we're going to show you how to apply and put on the lip scrub. So you're going to take a napkin or a washcloth.
I'm gonna put this because it's gonna spill on my shirt. We're gonna try it, but I know it's gonna spill on my shirt, so I'm gonna put this on.
Okay. You're gonna want to wipe off any product that you have on your lips. So you want to make sure your lips are nice.
Mine's off my lipstick.
Yeah, nice and dry. That way you'll be able to exfoliate your lips and get all that dead skin off. And then you're gonna take about a dime-sized portion and apply it onto your lips into a circular motion. So yeah, Jalo is right. It's going to get a little messy. So you'll want to do this over like your bathroom sink, for example.
Totally. So
yeah.
Rubbing the mixture in a circular motion to help will help the exfoliation process. And then again, just rub it in and then let it sit for a minute.
Yes. So while we are sitting here, my lips feel good. So while we're sitting here, I'd love to hear if any of you have tried a lip scrub before, if you liked it, if you didn't like it, or if you've even made one before. That'd be great to know too. Have you tried one before?
This is my first time trying it, and I love it. I think it's a great idea, and I definitely see it coming in handy during the fall and winter.
Yeah, I can definitely see myself doing this in the winter time, because in the winter, that's when my lips are really always dry, so it would help get all that dry skin off.
Yep. So we have some new products, and I just wanted to know, Jasmine, which one are you most excited about?
I would say that I'm most excited about castor oil. So if you are a curly hair girl like me or like Jala, you know that castor oil is your best friend and it is so good for your hair. So it's really great, especially because my hair being curly, it does get dried out really easily and frizzy. So castor oil is my best friend.
Yes, it's definitely moisturizing. It gives you a little bit of shine like I have on my hair right now.
So what about you?
My favorite, okay, so I love the frankincense and myrrh soap, so I'm going to be a big time sucker for the new frankincense and myrrh essential oil blend. I'm definitely going to use this all the time. It's my favorite. This is what I'm excited about.
I love it.
Yeah.
Okay, so now let's talk about our giveaway.
Okay, so our giveaway, all you have to do is like this Facebook Live and then hashtag Plantlife, and we'll pick 3 lucky winners. And you have until Monday to enter, guys. So even if we go off and we're not live, you still have till then to get it.
Yes. Okay, so it has been about a minute now. So what you're going to do is you're going to use a damp paper towel or towel, and make sure it's with warm water. And so just squeeze out the little excess, and then you're just going to wipe off the scrub from your lips like so. And you'll get probably a little bit of sugar in your mouth,
but it tastes good.
But it tastes good. But it leaves your lips nice and soft. And then I'll just dry it off on this other side. So my lips do feel really soft right now. Do yours?
Mine do too. Yeah, it's amazing. And guys, guess what? As an extra layer of moisture, I recommend, while this is still out anyway, just take a drop, and let me put some for you, Jasmine, and add it to your lips. Who needs lip gloss when you have macadamia nut oil?
Oh, yeah, it does feel very moisturizing. It looks kind of like a lip gloss too.
Totally.
Looks good.
Yeah.
Looks good. Okay, so we do have 2 special announcements that we wanted to let you guys know. So the first one being,
I'll take that for you.
Lip scrub. The first one being, we now have essential oil stickers.
Yay!
So we know that you guys have asked us to come out with essential oil stickers, and they are now live on our website. So we're so excited about that. So you can find your essential oils easy in your
you can just put it on the top right there.
Yes. And it does have all of our new essential oil blends on here as well, which is really exciting. And then we do have our Arnica Relief Gel is back in stock. So it's been gone for a couple of years, and we are so excited to have it back. It is the same great formula and great product that we had before, and we're so happy to have it back here for you guys. And we hope that you guys are just as excited as we are. And like Jala said, we do have our citrus burst essential oil giveaway, so make sure that you like this Facebook Live and hashtag Plantlife in the comments below for your chance to win. And as always, we appreciate you guys for watching, and we'll see you next Friday, 3 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time.
Bye, guys.